Hi there, Farhan is here and welcome to the Designer's Log. Today we will take these two photos from among us and we'll try to make them look real in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the magical world of Photoshop. Okay, first we will try this photo. In this section we will use different photos to make it look real. Well, kind of. I will copy it here so that I know what I need to do. First, I need to trace it with the pen tool to divide the whole body into different sections. I will use this fabric texture for the body. I never played this game, so I'm sure I'm gonna mess it up. By the way, I'm using free photos. If you want, you can download them and follow along. Okay, let's warp it so that it doesn't look same all over the place. Then I will just mask it out. I will do the same for the backpack. Is that a backpack or it's a hand? For the face, I can use this car. Nah, bad idea. Maybe I will use this color. Let's organize everything. You know I'm a well-organized person. Okay, let's add some shadows here and there and some highlights. Oh, also I need to add this shadow here. Okay, now I will do the same for the back. For the glass or the face, I have this texture. I need to add some shadows and highlights. I'm gonna add some shine here too. Shiny. For the background, I can use this image. I think it will look cool. And then I'm gonna use this for the floor. I need to resize it. I will add a layer mask and try to blend them together. Add some curves, make it darker, and change the color maybe. Yeah, that is looking great. I think I need to remove those fire sparks. I can use the healing brush tool. Yeah, that works. I will make it much darker. I need to blend them nicely, right? That huge fire should create some reflections, right? So yeah, I need to add them. Let's add a solid color, change the blend mode and create a negative mask. Then select the subject, contract the selection and then reverse the selection. And don't forget to clip the layer. Now just paint with white. This is too harsh, so I'm gonna increase the feather. I will create another fill color and this time I will paint softly so that we have two lights. One is relatively strong and the other one is very soft. I will do the same for the other areas. Okay, let's add some shadows here. There we go. I can add some smokes here and there, maybe some particles as well. Now let's add some tilt blur. That should look good. Finally, I will go to the camera raw filter and do some magic. And this is my final result. Okay, now let's start working on our second image. This is gonna be a little different. I will not use any stock images. It will be like drawing. Like before, I will trace the whole body with the pen tool. Since I'm not gonna use any stock photos, so I can use this fill color. But I need some kind of texture, so I need to create one. Let's first create a new layer and fill it with 50% gray and change the blend mode to overlay. Now I'm gonna add some noise, emboss and blur. Then I will add some shadows and highlights. Right now it looks flat. I will copy the same texture for the other parts of the body. Now I will add some shadows to the bone. I think I made it look like a butt. Anyway, I need to make it a lot darker. Now let's add the background. As before, I will use some fill colors. I will increase the feather so that the edge doesn't look harsh. I think adding a light source at the top left corner won't be that bad. But for that, I need to add reflections to our subject. I will follow the same process like before. Okay, now I need to add some shadows here as well. Oh, I almost forgot. There will be blood. I will place it here and then go to blend if. Finally, I will add some smokes and particles. And now it's time for camera raw filter. So this is my final result. This looks kinda cartoon-ish, but this is what I wanted. Really, this is what I wanted. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the ring button so that you don't miss any new tricks, tips or tutorials. I will see you on next week. Thank you so much for watching.